viewers, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Aglucky Countertop ice maker not working. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So in this case, if you're having some problems here with your Aglucky Countertop ice maker, well, in this case, there is one thing that you could try doing. So in this case, what you need to do here is you want to go ahead and just basically drain the power from your Aglucky Countertop. So in this case, you want to unplug this. So first turn it off, unplug it, and just let it rest for a few hours here. So you want to make sure that it actually fully defrosts, all the ice actually melted here, and it's actually in room temperature. Now you want to make sure that also the interior components are the same way here. So you may want to touch the insides here and just make sure that they are actually warm and not cold. So sometimes there might be some, like for example, some components not working properly because it's actually too cold for them. So this might actually happen, which is kind of weird. So in this case, just let it rest for a few hours here, and once the time is up, you could just open it up again and see if it actually works. Now, if this keeps on happening, it means that there might be some hardware failure here, or the actual components here might, or some of the components of the actual countertop ice maker here might be broken. So it's best to consult with their support or with a technician to get this solved. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.